Cooildarry lies in a lovely glen above Glenwillan. The woodland around me owes much of its character to the Victorians, who planted trees like elm, ash, sycamore and beech. But centuries ago, it's likely that this area was wooded with oak trees. Why can we assume this? Well, the clue lies in the old Manx name. Cooil means nook in Manx, and there are lots of place names with cool in them, such as Cooildarry near Portlaig, which means water nook, or the place simply known as the Cool in Braddon. The Darry part of Cooildarry comes from the word darach, which means oak in Manx. Cooildarry, or Cooildarry, therefore means nook of the oaks. Although nowadays there are relatively few native oak trees in the Isle of Man, we know that Celtic roundhouses in the island would often have contained several hundred oak roof supports. Who knows, maybe they got some of them here.